everyone, my name's Amanda and I'm kind of new here. Today, it's time for my Boxycharm. Boxycharm. I'm way too excited about this box of stuff. Okay, so, and good news, today is probably the first day that I feel like a human being since last week. I am so grateful. So, the very first thing I'm gonna get out of my Boxycharm is the thingy that's on top. And it is the It Cosmetics Brow Power. That's true. From the other unboxings that I have seen, it is a brow pencil. Yay. It is okay, there it is. Pretty exciting-ish. Apparently it is just a twist-up pencil, and it does have a spoolie on one end. Woo! And it is a universal color. The darker you need the color, the more you press to get the darker color is what it's supposed to be, from what I understand. The next thing, just under that, is the eyeshadow palette. It's from Crown Brushes. They do palettes, and I'm sorry for burping here. Okay, you gotta see this. Have you seen that? That mirror is freaking adorable. I don't think it's gonna be usable. Well, I mean, it will be odd to use it, but it's just neat. Okay, this is the Glam Metals palette. Here it is, upside down. All right, let's take a look at these. Ooh, guys, those three shades are shimmery. In fact, the only one in here that I see that's not shimmery is a black. But that's okay. We're gonna play around with it tomorrow. But yeah, so yay. Okay, let me grab a tissue here. All right, and the next thing is the Pure, P-U-R Pure, not the other one. Dreamer palette, Bronze and Brighten. Okay, this color here is supposed to be it says Blush and Glow. I think that's a Blush and Glow. The Afterglow and the Mineral Glow. I could be doing it backwards because yeah, okay. But that's just what makes sense to me. And we're gonna try it. A lot of people have been saying that this is quite metallic-y, which, hey, if that's your thing, great. I'm getting out of wipey. Remember that time I said I feel human? I don't think I'm quite human yet. But this here, let's do the swatches. Holy heck! Someone has said that this is a metallic overlay. And then once you go in, I've noticed on social media, it's matte. But until then, my goodness! Do you see this? That is so metallic. That's gonna be fun to play with. That's just how I'm gonna look at it. Some people are not crazy about it. But hey, I'm grateful. And then we got the Girlactik-Matte Lip Paint. And to be honest, I did open this up. I did try it. Okay, here's what it looks like in the tube. It's in the color Demure, which if anybody has ever met me, that is not, and that is not a word that has ever been used to describe me. Demure. Ah. But look at that color. Trying to cover up my face so it'll focus. That's beautiful. All right, and then the big one this year so far, that everyone's excited about is the Dr. Brandt Luminizer Pores No More. No, wait. Yeah, Pores No More Luminizing Primer right here. Okay, so there's my Boxycharm. I happen to know that these, the Pure Bronzer, or the Pure Bronze and Cheek Palette, that's $34. The Girlactik is running at $23. This is at $25. The primer is at $38. And the Brow Power Pencil is $24. I happen to know, because I cheated and watched other unboxings, this is $144 for all those products. And you know how much I paid? $21. Why? Because Boxycharm is awesome. If you guys don't know what Boxycharm is, it is a $21 a month subscription box. You get 5 full-size products, sometimes high-end, sometimes, well, you can't win them all. But you know what? The ones that you can't win them all on, that are more cost efficient, if you were to buy it. Sorry, I'm wiping this off because this is getting dirty already from my fingers. You know what? I've liked everything. What I like best about Boxycharm is you get to try things that you wouldn't buy for yourself otherwise. I probably never would have bought a pencil for my eyebrows. I have 3. 2 of which Boxycharm, or 3 of 4. I have 4. 3 of which Boxy sent me. So, and they're not brands I would have tried. So what's great about it is I get to try new things. And I'm grateful. Well, okay guys. Yay, I survived Flupocalypse. Hopefully you did too, and your loved ones have as well. And you know what? We're here. So if you guys like what you see, go ahead and like, subscribe, and leave some comments below. Any requests, anything you want me to try, and any, what am I thinking? Comments of encouraging comments. That's the word. Yay! Encouraging comments are great. And if you have constructive criticism, please share. Just be nice about it. Don't be a dick. Alright, we'll talk to you guys later. Bye.